Hello my friends, I am so excited to share these stamps and a die set with you today because one is so adorable and it coordinates with our bear to stamp set. So if you have that set, you definitely need this one because it is called Bunny Friend for Bear, and isn't he adorable? Perfect for Easter or any time of year. He does come with a cute little basket and some little eggs, and of course, dun, 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 there is a die set that matches. Now, this funny looking die right here, that is for you to lay on top of his arms, so you can die cut his arms so you can pull them up a little and put something underneath so he's holding something like that basket or maybe some eggs. And I have some awesome samples to share with you. Of course, we have a little basket, some earpieces, and lots of fun. I love him. He's so cute. Then we also have the patterns for cake. Now this coordinates with our club set of cake to stamp, and now you have other patterns and other fun sentiments to add to this. So here on this one we have when in doubt, ... eat cake. You're the icing on the cake. I'll never desert you. May all your dreams come true. Too many candles and not enough cake. I love it. It's so much fun. I can't wait to share my samples with you. Let's look at our cake ones first. So here we go with our patterns. So now we can make our cake even more beautiful. And here's another one. Same stamps, but look at how fun just changing the colors of that pattern changes the stamp completely, which I love that. Oh my goodness, look how cute this little one is. What a perfect little gift tag, and you can do a to and a from. Look at that, how fun is that? Oh, here's a cute one with our gatefold card, our A2 size card. Happy, happy birthday. And because this die set has a shadow, you can make it do this. Isn't that fantastic? That's fun. You're so sweet. And open that up. Oh, there's a gift card in there. Isn't that fun? I like that. That's so cute. Oh, I love this one too. You're the icing on the cake. And look how yummy that cake looks. Here's another one, a stand-up card with those stripes. Look how beautiful those stripes are. Happy birthday. Now here's one. I'm not sure if this why this one snuck in here, but too many candles and not enough cake. That's why, because that sentiment is in here. Isn't that fun? Oh, now here's a cute one. I'll never desert you. And it's using our friend's background that shows that it's kind of like in between. So it always shows that we are friends. Now our bunny samples. Are you ready for this? Look at this on our cute little handle bag. Isn't that adorable? Easter blessings to you. So cute. I can see this at every person's little table, every place setting. And here it says, wishing you a very happy Easter. And you could put somebody's name on there if you wanted, and that would tell them where to sit at the Easter table. Oh, here's an adorable one. This one's fun. Look at those cute little eggs. Open that up. Sending you bunny hugs. So cute holding that little basket. Here's another one holding that little basket. I just love that little basket. And of course the die set does come with little tiny eggs, so you can die cut those little eggs, but look at how adorable those are. Oh, here's a step up. Cute with some big eggs from our other set, which is so fun. And this includes our grass die as well. So cute, so fun, and so easy. Oh, look at this cute one on our oval flip it card. Just the stamp itself. No dies on the bunny, but on the dies on the eggs and the basket. So cute. Oh, are you ready for this one? Sending you love. Open it up. It's a happy day. Wishing you a very happy Easter. And see that little bunny hiding behind that sign? Isn't that cute? Here's another flip it. These bunnies are perfect for the flip-its and stand-ups and step-ups. Wishing you a very happy Easter. Here's a stand-up. Wishing you a very happy Easter. And then inside it says, you are my favorite bunny. Isn't that cute? I have to decide which one I'm going to make for Ben and Carter for Easter. I love all of these. These are such great ideas. Easter blessings to you, holding that little basket off to the side. And last but not least, of course, Easter blessings to you. And look at those cute little, ooh, I even see some cute little carrots from our other Easter set. How fun is that? Now make sure you check out our online gallery. We have lots more ideas on there and lots of fun ideas for you. And make sure you get these sets right away, because once they sell out, it takes a while to get them back in stock, and you want to get them now. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.